fellow souls and seekers of wisdom. As we begin this comprehensive exploration of end times prophecy, we are about to delve into a captivating exploration through a rich spectrum of beliefs that span across diverse religious, cultural, and philosophical traditions. These beliefs have not only fascinated humanity throughout the annals of history, but also continue to captivate our collective imagination today. Let us commence by first examining the varying perspectives on end-time scenarios. Within this multifaceted narrative, we encounter a spectrum of beliefs, each offering a unique lens through which we can view the unfolding of end times events. These perspectives have shaped our understanding of the enigmatic future that awaits. Islamic Eschatology extends us to a vision deeply entwined with Islamic tradition. It calls us to anticipate the arrival of the Mahdi and the triumphant return of Jesus as pivotal moments, leading us to the threshold of a day of judgment. In the realm of Hindu eschatology, the cosmic dance of creation and destruction reigns supreme. Here, the emergence of Kalki signifies a new era born from the ashes of Kali Yuga's demise. Meanwhile, Buddhist prophecy unveils the promise of Maitreya, the future Buddha whose advent heralds enlightenment and ushers in an age of tranquility and spiritual awakening. New Age and spiritual movements in their radiant optimism envision a collective awakening and the transformation of consciousness. They depict a portrait of unity, love, and the radiant dawn of the age of Aquarius. In the realm of speculation and scientific inquiry, scientific and technological eschatology invites us to contemplate potential global challenges. These challenges, whether posed by climate change, AI, or technological advancement, become the focal point of this narrative. The much-discussed Mayan calendar prophecy of 2012 captivated our imaginations. It was both a source of fascination and misunderstanding, offering us a glimpse into the fascinating intricacies of Mayan cosmology. I'll link a video here. Within the realms of intrigue and speculation, various conspiracy theories unveil narratives of shadowy elites, extraterrestrial involvement, and clandestine agendas, all woven into the story of apocalyptic scenarios. These diverse beliefs and theories come together to create a rich mosaic reflecting humanity's ever-evolving understanding of the end times. While interpretations may differ along various paths, they continue to shape our perspectives on the future that beckons. Rooted in faith, culture, or speculative wonder, these beliefs call us to ponder the mysteries of existence and the collective destiny that awaits us in this ever-shifting world. Now let's delve into the Gnostic and esoteric meanings of Jesus, adding another layer of depth to our exploration. In Gnostic thought, Jesus embodies deep esoteric symbolism. He is seen not merely as a historical figure, but as a spiritual archetype, representing the path of the soul. Gnosis, meaning knowledge or awareness, is central to this perspective. I'll link a video here. Jesus, in this context, is the revealer of hidden knowledge, the one who imparts the wisdom necessary for spiritual awakening. The story of Jesus, his teachings, and his crucifixion take on symbolic significance. The crucifixion, for instance, represents the spiritual death of the ego, and the resurrection is the awakening of the true self. Jesus is a guide on the inner path, leading the seeker from ignorance to enlightenment. Esoteric traditions also interpret Jesus in unique ways. They emphasize the mystical aspects of his teachings, focusing on the transformation of consciousness. In this view is the exemplar of spiritual enlightenment and inner divinity. His life serves as a template for the spiritual aspirant seeking union with the divine. Now let us turn our attention to the rich spectrum of Christian beliefs regarding the end times. Within Christianity, there exists various interpretations and views that offer compelling insights into this intricate subject. The glorious return of Christ. In one perspective, the radiant return of Jesus Christ stands as a focal point. It emerges as the apex of human history, a globally visible event marking the establishment of his messianic kingdom on earth. This view emphasizes the ultimate triumph over all malevolent forces and the inauguration of the millennium. A 1,000-year reign of Christ upon earth, characterized by peace, justice, and prosperity. In another perspective, the anticipation of the Antichrist takes center stage, a figure shrouded in intrigue and malevolence within the story of end times prophecy. Here, the identity of the Antichrist remains veiled until post-rapture times, a pivotal event within end times theology. Some interpret this perspective as a warning, enabling us to discern the spirit of Antichrist already present in the world today, and prepare ourselves spiritually for the tumultuous times that lie ahead. Christian beliefs, Gnostic and esoteric truths, all rooted in faith, culture, or speculative wonder, come together to create a rich mosaic that reflects humanity's ever-evolving understanding of the end times. Amidst these differing viewpoints, there exists a common thread that binds us, the shared human experience of curiosity, wonder, and a yearning to grasp the mysteries of existence. As we journey together through this vast landscape of beliefs, let us also embark on a quest towards a greater understanding and unity. So I invite you to explore these perspectives with an open heart and an inquisitive mind. Together we can unravel the threads of these age-old mysteries and shed light on the future that awaits us all. Please comment, like, and subscribe, and don't forget to hit that notification bell. Humanfluence out.